Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to create a zip file of videos, pictures and folders. And also how to extract a zip file. So here are the files, which is a video, a picture, and a folder, of which I am going to create a zip file. So first, open up your browser, and navigate to Google search, and then type WinRAR, WINRAR, and press enter. Click the first link. Click the Download WinRAR button, which is on the right side of the screen. Scroll down the web page and click the Download WinRAR button. Now, open the installer which we downloaded. Click Run. Then click Install. And click the Toggle All option. Now, click OK button, and press Done to close the window. Close this window. Now, if you want to remove the installer, then you can delete it. Now, I will be converting this video, picture and folder into a zip file. First, I will create a zip file with this video. So right-click on the video and select the option, Add to Wildlife.RAR. So, as you can see that the zip file which I created of the video is appeared on the screen. Now, if I open the zip file, then the video will be in that zip file. Now, I will create a zip file of this picture. So, right-click the image and click Add to Image.RAR option. As you can see, the zip file of the image is created. Now I will make a zip file of this folder. So, right-click the folder and select Add to Sample Pictures.RAR option. So the zip file containing the folder is created. Now I will create a zip file, which will contain a video, a picture, and a folder. So this process is same as before, but if you would like to change the name of the zip file, then select Add to Archive, and in here, rename the zip file, and press OK. So, here is the zip file, which consists of a video, a picture and a folder. Now, I will show you how to extract the zip file. First, let's extract the zip file containing the video. Right-click on the zip file which consists of the video. Now, if you want to save the video somewhere else, then you can click Extract Files, but if you want to extract it right here, then select Extract here. Now, the video which was in the zip file is extracted here. Now, I will extract the zip file containing the picture. It is the same process as previous. Now, I will extract the zip file containing the folder. As you can see, the individual zip files containing a video, a picture, and a folder are extracted. Now, I will extract the combined zip file of a video, a picture, and a folder. So now all the zip files are extracted. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked my video. Please like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe.